Okay, guys, you're welcome. Let's give some updates about cryptocurrency and then talk some common sense today. So, with cryptocurrency now, with the issue of mining, where anybody can render their hard disk and mine cryptocurrency, there is something that you have to understand. The first thing is the potential of cryptocurrency mining and how profitable it is. And then another thing again you want to consider is how distorted the internet is. So you already know of what we call cookies, and then we've seen some of how hackers actually get hold of your computer because of the way the internet is structured. So the internet is structured in such a way that people can actually get access to stuff they wouldn't have gotten access to if it was not designed in such a way. Like stuff ranging from data to someone impersonating you on the internet and all that. That is why you want to be very, very careful in this space. You want to be very careful of the websites you use. You want to be very careful of the networks you connect to, maybe public network. You want to avoid public network as much as possible. You want to have the latest antivirus. You want to keep yourself safe, having Ledger wallet or Trezor wallet or all that. You want to make sure that you're using things like Google two-step authentication, or possibly using SMS. You want to make sure that you are very careful of the password you use. Make sure you use alphanumeric, not just alphanumeric, but password that have special characters. And not only that, that is on the online world. You want to also be careful with in the physical world, your conversation with people. You want to be very careful of what you tell people, because humans are very, very cunning. It's something you've known. Humans are very, very cunning, and you want to be very, very careful. And then moving on, with cryptocurrency markets crashing and all that, frustration has come into many people and all that. Now, one of the things I tell people: educate yourself. Just educate yourself. Keep educating yourself. The way maybe you're educating yourself. In the process, you might discover that you might help humanity with this piece of technology. Or in the process of it, there are people, all these people forming their own blockchain company and all that. They did not burn them and give them blockchain. No. Someone like Vitalik, who brought Ethereum, he was one of the journalists, one of the writers that was writing for the Bitcoin magazine and writing papers and all that. That was where the vision to bet Ethereum actually came. Then there are other people who have been dabbling in one thing or the other. Then they discover that this thing can be done with blockchain. So you want to educate yourself. Possibly you want to understand the different fundamentals. You want to take blockchain courses and all that. You want to educate other people also. You want to educate yourself not only in blockchain. You want to educate yourself with network dynamics, network effect. You want to educate yourself with businesses, how to access different companies, how virtual capitals. You want to get those knowledge, because those knowledge are actually needed most times. You want to get knowledge on how to smell your rat, so that when you are actually making investments, not that you not make mistakes, but you want to reduce as the mistakes you make. You want to reduce them so low that your profit margin or your good decisions are more than your mistakes. So you want to educate yourself. And then guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Thank you.